So guys, this is a continuation of the previous video that I shared. So in case you missed it, please check out this video and then continue it so that we can finish the concluding part. Sorry, I forgot to mention that there's a concluding part that you should watch out for in the next video. So let's get right into it. So if you're new here, please introduce yourselves in the comments. Today I'll be sharing with you how you can make $1,000, yes, in a day or more. Yes, I'm just being conservative here because I shared people that have made well over $100,000, yes, $300,000 doing this thing that I'm explaining to you guys. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Come with me, let's go. First of all, you don't want to use words in your images, so try to give it instructions that don't include any words. Now, I gave you these apps, Runway ML and Leonardo. They are AI, apps. They both don't do well generating any kind of text. But you can see these images are pretty cool, and it's going to generate you hundreds of them just like that for t-shirt designs. Now, next thing you want to do is to click download right here, and then you can download the designs into a folder on your hard drive. And I'll show you what to do with them next. Probably what you need to do is to spend a few days creating these images, because like I said before, you want to have 1,000 or more images all together in one folder to make these packs really beautiful. The people that I showed you earlier who are making tens of thousands of dollars with this all have thousands of images in their downloadable files that they are selling, and that is what makes it really, really valuable. Now, some of the main people that are buying things days, they are people that actually sell t-shirts. They don't have time to create all the designs. They are just looking for a quick way to get a large number of designs so that they can have as many different types of t-shirts. Now, you are not selling t-shirts, you're only selling designs on the t-shirt, which is an audio file, a digital product. So you're actually selling them as the designs to save them time, and they might not even know about this trick that ChatGPT is helping to design it. Now, if all these seems like something that you don't really want to do, or maybe it's kind of boring to you to create images over and over again, I really encourage you to look into other things that you can actually do. Yes, and there are so many things that you can do from the comfort of your home, like starting a YouTube channel just like I'm doing right now and making residual income. So whether you're working or not, for those of you that are truly looking for a residual income model that generates autopilot money, there are lots of things that you can do to actually make good money. And if you have a product or a service that you want to render, I have an app that I can easily point you to. So back to what I was explaining earlier, once you have created all your images, now it is time to upload them to Google Drive. The reason why Google Drive is important is because you can store all these images, yes, for you online, and it will make it really easy for you to deliver these images to your customers without you having to email each one of them individually or anything like that. It's all going to be done through Google Drive, and I'll show you how to do it. Now, I'm assuming that you've spent the time to create over 1,000 awesome t-shirt designs, and they are sitting on your computer. Now, all you need to do is to click new right here, and then click on folder on Google Drive. Then go to your hard drive, and then you can see right here, I've got all my designs in this folder. It's called T-shirt designs. Now, you can see right there, it's a very large file because there are hundreds and hundreds of images in that t-shirt designs folder. We are just going to click on that, and that is going to say upload this to this website. And yes, now you can see down there it is uploading the entire folder to my Google Drive so that I can easily deliver this entire folder digitally to my customers. And I'll show you how to do that right here. Now, guys, the next thing you want to do is to click on a new. Yes, click on Google Docs, and we are going to create a brand new Google Doc that looks something like what exactly I am showing you guys right here. And you can see here, it says, "Thank you for shopping with us." Remember, that was the name of the store that I created in the beginning of this video. Now, what this is actually going to do is that it's going to be a document that we're going to send to all of our customers. The reason why is Etsy. Etsy will not allow us to upload an entire giant file to their website. We have to actually first create a small little file with a downloadable link, and it's all going to make sense in 1 second. Yes, so rather than carry the entire heavy file, you're going to create a Google Doc just like I showed you, and you can use this exact text. "Thank you for shopping with." You put the name of your store, and you'll be directed to your files by clicking the link below, and it says files purchased. Then the words, click here to access your file. We're going to go over to our Google Drive. Remember, we've downloaded all of the images into Google Drive, so just go into your Google Drive. You go directly to the folder that you uploaded. look like I'm showing you right here, and then click share. Then you click the word share again. Right here, you want to change it from restricted to anyone with the link. Yes, so that anyone that has the link, this exact link, can download this file. Then you can click copy link. So right there, and then we are done. Right here, we are going to highlight this text, and we are going to actually paste the link that we just made into this little box and click apply. Yes, and now if anyone clicks on that, it is going to directly to that giant folder on Google Drive that contains all of the images that we created. Now we are going to click download, and we are going to click PDF, so that we can export this as a PDF, because that's the kind of easiest kind of document that everyone can open. This is the final step where we are going to put everything together. What I want you guys to do is, in your Etsy store, you are going to click into the products. Now remember, earlier in this video we created a product on our Etsy store, and I want you to click into that product, and then you are going to click edit. So scroll down to where it says digital files, and I'm going to click on add file. Then we're going to click on the PDF that we created earlier, and now this PDF is going to be automatically delivered when anyone buys our digital products on Etsy. So Etsy is going to send them this file that we have created, and you see that is what it's going to look like when they buy. So it's going to get them directly to this PDF, which is going to allow them to access that huge folder with all the t-shirt designs in it. So we're just going to click save and continue, and our first listing is done. Now guys, if you want to expand to even make more money with this, you can actually take that exact same PDF that we just made, and you can also sell that same PDF on websites, different websites like Redbubble. Yes, there's another website called Zazzle, which is a similar idea. If you really want to make big money, which is where you really expand your business, it is when you have one of these t-shirt companies buy your design pack. Guys, you want to get their email address, add them to an email list, and every single time you create a new design pack, you have to have a list of customers that you can email right away and say, hey, we just released a new design pack. You can fully get it fully downloadable for only maybe $5. Even the more powerful, get them on auto bill. Like, let's say you sell 100 of these design packs, so imagine each of them, each of these 100 people has their own t-shirt business, and they are all constantly looking for new designs. Imagine if you told them, hey, I'll release maybe 100 new designs every month. You can sign up for a subscription plan. I'll automatically send you a new Google Drive folder every month, as long as you continue paying every month. See, it's a simple thing to do. You can even set up subscription payment plans for them, yes, on PayPal, to enable them pay you every single month on autopilot. All you need to do is click on business tools once you're logged into your PayPal account, and yes, right here click on subscriptions, and that is going to set you up. Yes, it's going to let you set up subscription payments so that someone can pay you every single month on autopilot. Now you can see how powerful this idea can be, and how you can expand it into an autopilot monthly business. So guys, before I leave you, I have my own free YouTube training. It's in the link in the description. So yes, I have a free YouTube training every single month. All you need to do is click on link in the description. To see, please just enter your name, your email address, and I'll actually email you even more ways to make money online on autopilot. Make sure that you put your best email in there so that we can send that free training class directly to your email address. And yes, that is about it. Yes, that's about it in today's video. If you're also planning to start a YouTube channel but you don't know how to go about it, you can go ahead and join my next free YouTube training. It's a class that I host once every month. So guys, till I see you in my next video, take care and bye for now. I love you all.